How's it going, guys? Welcome back. This is day number 24. We're 7 days away with today to end the goal of $5,000 in 30 days. I know I took a lot of breaks and I'm still saying I'm gonna touch it. I have to make $251 Monday through Friday, and I have to make $350 Saturday and $350 Sunday to touch the rate to be just exactly at $5,000. Which I know I'll do it. No more goofing around. I started at 115 right now. I got wrestling practice today, but I won't be going to it. I'll finish strong till 10, so that should be 9 hours. Tomorrow I'll work 8 in the morning, probably till 5. And if I need some extra money to make, which I doubt I will have to, I will do right after practice. I'll do some orders. So I'll be doing that 8 till 5, and then after practice I'll do like 1 or 2 orders, and that should get me in a good spot. So today $251 is what I'm aiming for. I got already a $27 order. Let's go. Let's start huge. So that means I would need 9 more orders, which I can get it done. At least 9 more orders at $25 each order. So we're not aiming for something bigger. Obviously, if there's a bigger, like 30 plus orders, amazing, but we're just aiming for 9 $25 orders extra, and then we should be set. How's it going, guys? Yeah, so I ended up dropping off that order. It was 2 small orders. It was when I dropped it off quick. I waited there in the store for like maybe 15-20 minutes. So my drive from home to there is 20 minutes. Waited there for 20 minutes, dropped it off. So that whole $27 I made it within 1 hour, which is not the best, to be honest. This is the Walmart that used to be really good for me, but has been having issues. I don't know. I think they're understaffed now, which is why they're kind of slower now. And so as soon as I dropped it off, there were still big orders coming around for this one. There was like $25, $26 orders, whatever. But I was waiting patiently to get a Woodstock order, which is what I'm driving. It's 20 minutes away from this town. It's basically into another town. I'm driving there. It's 20 minutes away from McHenry, but from my house it's 10 minutes away. And so I'm heading there right now, even though I know I'm wasting 20 minutes right now. So it'll be like an hour and 20 work-wise once I get there. But they give it to me like right away. They take maybe 5 minutes. That's rare if they do. That's only if they're packed. But I'm in and out there, not even a minute there. Boom. So my calculations, I go, and then I have this $29 order over here that I just got. It's like 7-ish miles, 7.5. So I usually count every mile 2 minutes. So it'll be 14 minutes there, 14 minutes back. So it'll be 28 minutes. It'll be an hour and 20 plus. That'll be an hour and 40, an hour and 50. So that'll be like, let's round up. That'll be 2 hours. I know I wasted basically 40 minutes of just driving from there and back. But I'm just gonna stay in Woodstock. I'm just gonna stay there, because then after that I'm gonna be doing 2 orders per hour. And if I manage to do, let's say, 2 $25 orders per hour, it's like 50 an hour. It should be good. That's what I did yesterday. Yesterday I did at night I only worked 2.5 hours. I did in 2.5 hours I made $160 something, which is amazing. Like, it's really good. I don't even know, I can't even calculate right now, but it's a really good rate. Right now with this order I'm gonna be around 57 bucks. So I need less than $200 to touch the rate that I want to touch, to be able to touch the $2,000 remaining that I need to touch the $5,000. My brain's like, what? No, but yeah, okay. So I'm heading there right now. I'm not too far away now. I'm like maybe like 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm like 10 minutes away now. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll pick this order up, drop it off, and keep you there with the next order I get. Alright guys, so I delivered that order. It was really quick, like I said it was gonna be. I was there for like maybe a minute or 2, and I just got another order for the same store, but this one's a shop and delivery order. Realistically, it did not make that much sense for me to take this order, because this store is very quick at giving me the orders. So they're probably quicker than giving me the orders than myself shopping, but it's only 8 items. It should take me like 10-15 minutes max. But it should be good. I'm heading there right now. It's 33 bucks. takes me to 89 point something, rounded up 90 bucks. And hopefully I can finish this within 30 minutes. So it'll be 2 hours and a half for 90 bucks. Still a good rate. Even if it's 3 hours, that's $30 an hour, which is still a really, really good rate. But heading there right now, gonna go do it. I put the order right here, $2 and a couple things. It's only a 1 mile drive. So once I'm done shopping, it's probably like the apartment's 2 minutes away. So drop it off there, whatever, or it's a house, whichever. But it should be a quick drop off, and I'll go ahead and do another order, and maybe make this hour a $50, $60 hour, and take me to 120. Then I'd be around like $131 left to make after if I potentially get a $30 order. But yep, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I ended up finishing that shop and delivery. It took me around 11-ish minutes. I'll put it right here. It was a lot of waters that I was shopping. I got waters, at least, I don't know, it was a lot of waters. 2 24 Cokes and some other groceries. It was really quick, and just dropped it off. It was really, really quick to drop off. I'm still in 2 hours and 40 minutes total, and I just got another order for $27. I'm about to go pick it up. That's gonna take me to 117 and a couple cents, and it's not even the 3 hour mark, which is amazing. It's only about to be 4, so that gives me 6 more hours to make money. Maybe I end the day at 300 bucks, guys, or probably more if everything goes the same way as it's going. I'm just gonna stick to only Woodstock, Walmart. Even if there's more orders, they're so quick, they're so efficient. I'm just gonna stick here so I don't have a bad day. So I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so after that $27 order that I dropped off, I got a $23. It was very close, so I did it really quick. So $23, I put it right here, and then just finished dropping it off. And as soon as I dropped it off, I got another order for $27 and a couple cents. I'll put it right here. The one I'm picking up right now. I'm heading there right now. I'm like 2 minutes away. All from Walmart still. I'm assuming I'm around 168, 169-ish. Haven't checked, but I'll tell you the total that I make today. It's only 5:30, so it's only an hour and a half more since last time I let you guys know. So I got 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 hours and a half, and let's say if I average like at least 35, let's say 40 an hour for 160. I think I can make another 160 to end the day at 320. The goal is 251, but let's go at least, let's touch 300. No, at least it's 251. That we have to make that for sure, no questions asked. But I think at this rate we can touch 300, maybe 320. But I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I ended up dropping off that order, and I was waiting patiently. I was getting like $15, $18 orders, like offers. I was being patient, waiting, because I knew something better was gonna come my way, which it did. I got a $30.11, I believe. Put it right here. Got a $30 order, so I'm heading to go pick it up right now. And it's taking me closer to home, but I'm still not done. It's only 6:13. That would put me at $197. So $3 away from 200 bucks. So essentially I would be needing 54 bucks to touch what I really have to make, no questions asked, to make that 251. And then after that, I think I am in a good spot to be making the 300 bucks for sure. But I'll keep you guys updated. How's it going, guys? I ended up dropping off that order, and I know I said I was gonna stick to Woodstock only, but I got tempted with a $31 and a couple cents order from Algonquin. I was like 14 minutes away from there, so I went to the store, and I ended up waiting there for like 15-ish minutes, which I should have stuck to Woodstock, but okay, whatever. Because in Woodstock there was a $20 order. I could have done it, come back, and then another 20, and I would have, but oh, whatever. So I took this $31 order. I think it brings me to 230 bucks. So I'm $21 away from touching what I need to touch, $251. But I think the next order will be 21 at least for sure. But yeah, it's about to be 8 p.m. so I got 2 hours to make money. Hopefully I get sent to Woodstock again, make a lot more money, and then at 300. But I'm for sure touching 251. I'll get back to you guys. I'm dropping off this order right now, and I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so that order ended up leaving me right next to the Huntley Walmart. I'm turning in right now. I was like 2 minutes away from the Huntley Walmart. And I ended up receiving a $36 order. I'll put it right here, which takes me to $266 and a couple cents, which is really good. I need what, $34 more to touch 300. I already made more than I was expecting to make, which was 251, and I still got 2 hours left, guys. So let's keep grinding. I'll get back to you guys. How's it going, guys? Ended up dropping off that order, the $36 order. I'm not gonna lie, I got lost a little bit, so I didn't know how. I called the person, the customer, to see where to drop off the order. So it did take me a little bit. Right now it's 9:23. I took another order. There's not many orders out there anymore, and I was gonna go home. There was a $17 order, and I should just go home. But I said I'm just gonna finish strong till 10. So even if it's not too much of a good order, it's in Woodstock. It should be fast. Hopefully they bring out another order. I can do another one. But yeah, so far I believe I'm averaging like 35 an hour, but I'm not too sure. I haven't checked. I just know that this order is gonna take me to like $282 or $283. So I after this order, if I get another $17 order, we touch 300 for sure. So I'm gonna be hopeful. I'm gonna go as fast as I can, finish this order, and end the night in a high note. Alright, so today I ended up making $283.90. I did a total of 10 trips. I drove 154.4 miles. So I worked 8 hours, 8.5 hours. So I averaged an hourly rate of $33.49. I was making $1.84 per mile. And so I averaged 1.2 trips per hour, which is not too bad. I made over the $251 I was supposed to make today. I went over $32, which is pretty good. Puts me in a good position, and I'm still gonna go strong to finish the challenge, the $5,000 challenge. I'll see you guys on the next one.